starting to cut the floor out. Don't want to go too close to the edges yet. I don't want to be cutting through the hull. That would not be good. That would just cause a whole bunch more work. So, just getting started on it. Well, what do we have here? A bit of mold. Obviously moisture not being able to get out, and obviously moisture got in. So, like I suspected, no resin on this sheet on the inside. If you coat it with resin, it probably would have lasted a lot longer instead of just doing the top, because boats always leak. It's inevitable. And looking at these stringers, more good news. I'm supposed to crunch, squeeze stringers together. It's almost hollow there. Yeah. Looks like I really got a project. Darn. Well, we'll just have to see how it goes. I will, not sure what I will do, but I have seen people, not on YouTube or anything, but put extra stringers beside the rotten ones. So a bit of space in between, but in short sections though. So I don't know if that actually helps or not, but I got a feeling this whole floor is going to come up. I think it would just be, I don't want to do this again, so I'm thinking, yeah, the whole floor. So maybe not be able to use it much this summer, but see how it goes between working on a farm here and working for a living. It can be tight on time sometimes, and of course got to have holidays. So anyway, yeah, so that's where I'm at. So I will make a decision here soon to decide what I am going to do. One thing that's odd about this boat, it's the first boat that I've seen that doesn't have a bilge well, so a spot where your bilge pump goes, which is odd. All it had was a little divot in the floor here, right there, that the floor just went down to. So then your whole deck, when water got on the boat, it would just sit in here, and you had to have, you know, a fair amount of water before that bilge started working properly, or to pump it out anyway. So now that I've gotten this far, I think I will put a bilge well in it. I gotta do something with this stringer anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna have to install a bilge well. First time for doing that. That'll be exciting. And like I say, any comments or suggestions, like I say, I've never done this before, but done a little bit fiberglassing in the past of, you know, small repairs and, you know, patching a floor, that kind of thing. But yeah, any comments or suggestions would be great, and we can all, everybody can learn by this if they have the same kind of deal that I'm going through with this boat. Well, more good news. Actually, the stringer is rotten in the bottom, so imagine that carries all the way up to the front. I'm gonna keep cutting, but I think it's I think it has to be replaced. Not what I was hoping for, but oh well.